Skip the restaurant and whip up your favorite seafood classic at home. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, we're swapping out a staple Scampi ingredient for something a little surprising. Scampi is traditionally made with shrimp, but it's also really delicious with crab. Crab is really rich in lean protein, healthy fats, and minerals, and it's excellent in this recipe. Start heating up a little butter and olive oil in a skillet. Then add in some chopped shallots and red bell pepper. The pepper adds great color and it's full of vitamin C. Cook this just until everything starts to soften up a little. Now you can add in some garlic. This is about 4 minced cloves and it's one of the main flavors of Scampi. Gotta go big with the garlic. Cook that for about a minute or so and then add about a half cup of dry white wine. Or you can use chicken broth if you prefer, along with some fresh lemon juice and crushed red pepper. Bring all of that to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time for the crab meat. I've got about 12 ounces of jumbo lump crab meat here, along with a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and some salt and pepper. This will all get tossed together with spaghetti. For a healthier swap, I'm using Banza pasta, which is made from chickpeas. It's got extra fiber and lower net carbs. And this is one of my favorite brands because it has such great taste and texture, you'd never know it's not real pasta. Serve the Scampi with some fresh lemon wedges and a little parsley garnish, and you've got a real classic with a healthier twist. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.